Cathy Delanssay's Little Red Dress Special Treatment. We start the special treatment with chili pearls that have been sprinkled on her red dress. And then for version 2, we have abalone that we have placed on the peacock's eyes that is on her dress as a pattern. So these are the abalone. And finally for version 3, we've got the ring on her finger that we have placed with some red crystals. So here is that ring. I believe the red crystals placed on that is ruby crystals. Once again, for Cathy Delanssay's Little Red Dress, we've got ruby crystals, chili pearls, and abalone.